Meaning of hectoring.
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 Hectoring. The word hectoring is often used to describe behavior that involves bullying, intimidating, or harassing others through the use of threats, forceful demands, or excessive criticism. Such behavior can result in a person feeling powerless or frustrated and can sometimes create a toxic work or social environment. Hectoring behavior often stems from a desire to control others or to assert one's dominance over them. It is important to recognize hectoring behavior and to address it in a constructive manner in order to promote healthy relationships and positive interactions among individuals.